Now we are about to see how a pharmacy can serve drugs that has been prescribed by a physician on a paper, okay, on a physical way, not an electronic prescription. First of all, the pharmacy will connect with his credential, login, and the pharmacy will check in a patient also. So click on check in a patient. After checking a patient, the pharmacy also has its list of encounters, his board of encounters. And for that patient that came to buy drugs, so we will click on add encounter. We'll add the patient name. Okay, it's better to enter the patient ID card number, the patient insurance card number. Okay, it's better to have directly the patient, because if you have many people with same names, it will be a bit difficult to retrieve to find back the patient in the software. You have to check in a list. So we choose the patient by clicking on the circle. We have the various information. A part that is important here is the verification. Okay, three things for that verification. You click on I attest that I have verified the identity of the patient. First step. The second step, you put the name of the physician that has prescribed the drugs that you have on the prescription, Dr. XYZ. And you click on attest. The three steps. You check the box I attest, you put the name of the prescriber, and you click on attest. You will see on the visit details that it has already been put on pharmacy, so you don't have to check anything there. The expected length of day too is by default on 1. It's not really a stay. But after the verification, the only thing you have to do is to select the sensitivity and just click on normal and click submit. After clicking submit, you are directly led to the page of claim editing. And now we will edit the claim. First step, click on edit claim. That's the first thing you have to do. And now we will add the various services. For each service, you have three things to do. First, put the date on which you are serving the drug. Okay, we took the date of today. The service family name. You are not called to fill that field, category name. You let it blank. Okay, you will see that it will automatically be filled when you choose the service family name. For that part, we have uh, generally three or four categories, four service family name. Drugs, so reimbursable drugs, vaccine, vitamins, vitamins, and the last category, the last service family name concern all the medical disposable, syringe, catheter, and things like this that are generally excluded, but it depends on contracts. So I will take here, sorry for the language because the contract has been set in French. I'll take reimbursable drugs. So here we have it. In French, we call it médicament, so the drugs. You will see that the category name has been filled automatically. Pharmaceutical fees. So, first step was the date. the second step, the service family name. And the last step is about to write down the information concerning the drug itself. Okay, so for this, maybe it was paracetamol syrup. Okay, every time you type a new name of act or the name of product, it stay in the memory. Okay, in the memory of your computer. So the coming times when you start typing, it will automatically come. So unit price, the quantity, and you click on add, and you have it down in the board where you have the patient's responsibility, so his copay, and the part that will be billed to Sunu. So three steps: the date, the family name. Let me take for example vaccine here. Name of act, uh, anti. Let me take it for example, anti-typhoid. Unit price, quantity, and add. So the amount are calculated according to the contract. For some contract, if it is 100 rate of reimbursement for some contracts, so the patient responsibility will be zero. If it is uh, a contracted service, because for example, if I take, let me take for, let me take vitamin, name of the act, vitamin C, for example, unit price, quantity, add. And the last one I told you was about medical disposables, so syringe and things like this. In French, we call it dispositifs médicaux. So you will see that automatically for this contract, the medical disposable are in the category of exclusion. Name of the act, let me put syringe, the unit price and the quantity, and add it. And you will see that here the patient responsibility is 100%. So the SUNU is not reimbursing syringe for this contract. After doing all this, okay, just have a last look on the board to be sure that you have billed all what you were supposed to bill for that patient, and click on next. By the time you click on next, this bill goes directly to Sunu. So we click on next. So claim submitted successfully. Claim successfully submitted and pending approval. So that's the way to submit claims in pharmacy with a physical prescription of drugs. You can go to the page list. So this is what we've just built. Submit as claim. So let us go on home. You have the possibility to see if the claims you have submitted has been treated, has been approved, reimbursed or not. When connecting, instead of checking a patient, you go directly to submit a claim and you have that board. It differs from the board you have in checking a patient. You'll see that here it's a board called encounters, but the other one is the one called claims. So here is the claim we've just submitted with 21,605 that we've just sent to Sunu. And you have the status claim submitted. By the time Sunu will settle the claim, You will have other information. Okay, the status will change. For example, here the claim has been denied. Okay, the claim has been denied, and you have it here. If I take it and I go directly to settlement, you'll say claim denied has been denied, and you will have the reason written just below. Okay, we go to the page list. If the claim has been paid, okay, let me take another one here. For example, the claim has been settled. So you have the date on which Sunu has settled the claim and the amount that has been settled. Here you